I'm also aware of the huge challenges our girls, especially those from underprivileged homes, and more so from the arid and semi-arid areas face during their menstruation. It breaks my heart to hear that many girls do not perform well in school because of non-attendance during this period, which accounts for 20% of school days in a year. A lot of girls use insufficient and unhygienic methods to manage this period of their lives, which occurs every month. These unhygienic methods put them at a risk of infections. For some of them, desperation during this season drives them to get involved in sexual activities to earn money that will enable them to buy sanitary pads. The risk of such actions cannot be underestimated as we grapple with a high occurrence of teenage pregnancies, sexual transmitted diseases, and not to mention HIV and AIDS.